Hi everybody, welcome back to the Harvey Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable or disable the AI Picture Optimizer. At first you have to make sure that your input is the PC. So let's click this button, which is under the power button, with gear icon 1, 2, 3 and colors. And here the first thing that pops up is the source. If you have here the source set to PC, with this, as you can see, tick icon, it should be available. Let's click this button again and click all settings. Now let's scroll down to the picture, and here, as you can see, we have AI Picture Optimizer. Automatically applies and suitable screen mode for the current screen. This feature is supported only when the current source is a PC. If game mode is turned on, this feature can be set and it changes based on the game genre. We can enable that and click yes. And with the click, we can disable this function as all. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.